Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're at Heritage Hills in Dade City. So this is a new development. They're still doing a lot of construction here. And we're finishing up this 2-car garage with baseboards. So this is a full grind, full chip, polyaspartic top coat, written lifetime warranty. So we filled the expansion joints for a seamless surface. Detailed in around the hot water heater. Did some small repairs along the surface of the walls where the baseboards are. Did some pretty big repairs along the lead-in edge, which is pretty usual. And we also, as a courtesy, just cleaned off the apron, which had a lot of construction debris. Here's what our lead-in edge looks like. Straight and rounded over.
Eat all your vegetables.
Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.